In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks for a cleaning business. Go to the QuickBooks Online site. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is the home area where you can access your business tools and settings. From the dashboard, move to the top right corner and click the gear icon. This opens the settings menu for your account. Under the Lists column, click Recurring Transactions. This page is where QuickBooks keeps your automated templates, so you do not have to rebuild the same invoice over and over for repeat work. At the top right of this page, click New. A transaction type window will appear. Open the Select Transaction Type dropdown, choose Invoice, and then click OK. This takes you into the Recurring Invoice Setup screen. Go to the Template Name field and enter the name of the job. Type Weekly Cleaning, then pause briefly, then continue with the client name exactly as you want it identified in your records. The full template name should clearly describe the repeating service for that customer. Next, find the type setting and change it to Scheduled. This is the option that tells QuickBooks to automatically create and record the invoice for you, instead of saving it as something you would have to send manually later. Below that, check the box for automatically send emails. This makes sure the customer receives the invoice as soon as QuickBooks generates it. Now click into the field for Create Days in Advance and type 3. This means the invoice will appear in your books 3 days before the invoice date, while still following the schedule you assign. Move down to the Customer field and select the correct customer from the list. Choose the client for this recurring job. Now set the billing interval. Change the frequency to weekly. Make sure it is set to every 1 week. Then, set the scheduled day to Thursday. After that, click the Start Date field and enter next Thursday as the first date this should begin. For the end setting, choose None, so the recurring invoice continues without a final stop date. Next, go to the Product or Service section. In the Product or Service field, select the cleaning service attached to the scheduled job. After selecting it, check the Rate field and make sure the amount is correct. Then verify that the total amount shown on the invoice also matches the service charge you expect for this recurring visit. Once everything is filled in, go to the bottom right corner and click Save Template. QuickBooks will save the recurring invoice and return you to the recurring transactions list. On the list page, locate the template you just created. Confirm that the type column shows Scheduled. Then look at the Next Date column and make sure the upcoming date is correct based on the weekly Thursday schedule you set. If you need to pause this automation for one cycle, start from the Recurring Transactions list and find the same template again. Go across to the Action column. Next to Edit, click the drop-down arrow. In that menu, choose Skip Next Date. As soon as you do that, the Next Date field will jump forward by 1 week. That means the upcoming scheduled invoice is skipped, but the recurring setup stays active for the following week. At this point, your billing automation is in place. QuickBooks will create the invoice, record it in your ledger, and send it to the client every Thursday based on the schedule you entered. You'll also be able to see it under your account once it is set up and active. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Go ahead and complete the setup on your end by following the same flow inside your QuickBooks account. Start from the dashboard. Open the gear icon. Go into Recurring Transactions. Create a new invoice template. Set it to Scheduled. Turn on Automatic Emails. Enter 3 in the Days in Advance field. Assign the customer. Set the weekly Thursday interval. Choose the service. Confirm the rate and total. And save the template. Then check the list view one more time so you can verify the template appears correctly with the proper scheduled type and next date. Once done, you will see the recurring setup under your account, and the system will handle the scheduled billing for that cleaning job automatically. Congratulations!